Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Maisun's world, and it's me, Maisun. And you guys might be thinking, today is a new tutorial video. Let's learn something new. But no. Today's video is also something that you can learn. As you guys know, I speak English, but I also love doing painting. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how to paint a waterfall. And guys, I'm not a professional painter. I just wanted to share my experience with you guys. So let's get into the video. So guys, this is all I got to paint my waterfall. And guys, as you can see, I have a canvas. But it's not necessary that you guys need a canvas too. You can also do it in hard paper. Also, I have brushes, I have my palette, some napkins, and my paints right over here. So let's start our painting. It looks decent, and now it's time to do the actual waterfall. So yeah. finished base, and here it is. I think it turned out pretty good, I guess. And guys, I am not a professional painter. I wanted to share my experience with you guys, and I'm hoping that you guys will do way better than me. And you guys might be thinking, this only took me a little bit of time, but this painting actually took me 1 hour and 30 minutes. So yeah, that's that. And I think it looks pretty good. So guys, that's it for now for today. Follow me on my Facebook page, Maisuns World, my Instagram, it's Maisun, and my Twitter, Maisun. And also guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Maisuns World. See you guys, see you in my next video. Bye bye, assalamu alaikum.